Some people have asked me how I keep my anvils rust-free in such a humid environment. Well, just constant use helps keep rust at bay, but I also occasionally spray down my anvil faces with WD-40 and then rub down with a sanding cloth. And when I'm done for the day, I usually drape an oily cloth over the anvil faces. I started work on a new style tong, sort of an upgrade on an older style I used to make. This pair is about halfway done, but I'll start another from scratch, and the tong that I make today is going to be given away. Today's tong giveaway is courtesy of Jared McArthur. He's one of my Patreon supporters, and a very big one at that. And once a supporter reaches a total of $120 in donations, they can receive a tong free of charge. And he wants to donate his to someone who can use a tong, but maybe is a little bit less fortunate. And so that's why we're doing the giveaway today. If you want to enter this giveaway, leave a comment and state so in the comment. And then in about 1 week's time, I'll draw a winner and announce that person. In addition to Jared McArthur, I also want to thank Mark Balzaret for his recent very generous donation to the channel. These guys are donating a lot, and it's really helping to keep my steel hot. So thanks a lot, fellas. This tong is identical halves, and sometimes I show myself just working on one half, but sometimes on both. I've been figuring out different ways to use this small anvil slash swage, and now I really need to get it secured down. It's always jumping all around. I've been having tons of trouble of late with my Earthlink email, and I think that the problem is pretty widespread, so hopefully they can get that sorted out. But if anyone has trouble contacting me, just use my Gmail instead, and that would be gstongs@gmail.com. And I think I'll get my Gmail linked to my website just as soon as I can. I'm out of propane and they'll deliver a tank to the first floor, and I'll run down and go pick that up in a few minutes. Being that I'm on the 5th floor and a full tank weighs about 75 pounds, that's a pretty decent workout. On the newer tongue I'm working on, the jaws need to spread out to the sides a little bit more. I can do that probably in this sort of a way, or I can just do it after I rivet. So I think I'll just wait until I rivet them together and then get the jaws spaced out to the sides properly. For anyone who thinks I'm playing games out here, this summer humidity in Taiwan is not fit for human habitation anymore. Just off the charts. But that won't stop me. Nothing stops me. I'm 52, and on the outside I probably look more like 62. But under the hood, the engine's purring strong. Feel like 22. I really like the way this tongue is coming together, and I think I can make this tongue suitable for rounds, squares, and even flats. For this one here, I'll make it hold 1/2-inch rounds. So here's where I tap the jaws out a little bit and align them. I used to make a style of tong that I called tusk tongs, but they proved to be a pain to adjust properly, and so this is sort of a substitute for that style. I'm not sure what I'll call it, but given how the jaw looks head on, maybe I'll call these Z tongs. This is a very sturdy tong. I'll definitely list this style on my website when I get a chance. Anyone interested in getting a pair of these, just shoot me an email, either on my Earthlink or my Gmail. I seem to like making tongs more than anything else, and so thanks again to Jared McArthur for giving me the impetus to get this style done. And I thank everyone who supports me. My channel will always be a relatively small channel, but we're a tight-knit group, and that's the way I like it. Catch you guys next time.